Okay, so let's start, my dear, with this question. Last time, you know that we had finished the transition elements. So just do with part 1 and 2. You should do it by yourself. Come on. After that, we are going to discuss it. Okay, guys. So this is 1s2. Then we got 2s2. Then we got 2p6. And then we got 3s2. And then 3p6. Okay, and then uh, we got 4s2 and then 3d4. Okay,
सर लिखने में ऑर्डर में पहले हमेशा 4s और फिर 3d
3d लिखते हैं. अब यहाँ पे जब इलेक्ट्रॉन को रिमूव करना है तो आई टोल्ड यू यू हैव टू रिमूव द वैलेंस शेल इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो ये 4s के इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव हो जाएंगे पहली चीज, और उसके बाद एक इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएगा. सो दिस वन वुड बी द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. ओके, so 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and then 3d3. Then define the term complex ion. I told you a complex consists of a central metal ion surrounded by the ligands through dative bond. Did you get it, guys?
सर
Yeah.
सर आपने 4s2 खत्म किया तो 3d3 क्यों होगा?
बेटा तुम्हारे पास 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन तुमने रिमूव करने हैं, तो वैलेंस शेल में से रिमूव करेंगे, 4s में से
ओह जी सर, समझ लग गई. वो मैंने देखा नहीं था ऊपर चार्ज है उसके.
जी. Okay, define the term complex ion. Complex ion, I told you that it consists of a central metal ion surrounded by the ligands through dative bond. Okay, now move towards the next part of the question. This is the yesterday's things. So CrH2O6 plus 3. Okay, so when you add the sodium hydroxide in it, so OH minus ions they are produced. So OH minus ion क्या करेंगे, इसको न्यूट्रल करना है. ये +3 है, तो +3 को न्यूट्रल करने के लिए 3 OH यूज होंगे. So it would become chromium. The 3 water molecules they would remain, and the 3 OH they would attach up here, and this thing would be neutral. Okay, and it will form the precipitate. So this is called as the precipitation reaction. Okay, precipitation reaction. The next thing is H2O2. Yesterday I told you H2O2 is oxidizing agent. तो यहाँ पे क्रोमियम की ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +3 है, तो +3 से ज्यादा कोई भी चीज लिखते हैं तो दैट वुड बी Cr2O7 -2. यहाँ पे क्रोमियम की +6 होती है. So this is the redox reaction. When you add excess of aqueous ammonia, so aqueous ammonia, what does it do? It is going to displace all the water molecules, and you will get ammonia 6 +2 charge, and that is the ligand exchange. Did you get it, guys?
यस सर.
O2 के अंदर क्या होगा, ऑक्सीडाइज किया उसने हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड.
जी, तो वो Cr की वैलेंसी +3 है, उससे ज्यादा वैलेंसी वाली कोई भी चीज लिख दो.
सर लेकिन यहाँ पे +3 नहीं है.
यहाँ पे भाई +6 आएगा. Cr2O7 -2 है.
अच्छा ठीक है, पूरा डिवाइड कर देंगे.
Okay, guys, have a look up here. He's saying that this thing and this thing are both complexes of chromium 2 and have different colors. Explain why the colors of these complexes are different. I told you the reason. Basically, sorry. नहीं, ये चक्कर नहीं है. इसमें different हमारे जो है वो complexes मौजूद, different ligands मौजूद हैं. So due to different ligands, the difference of energy level between the split d orbital that would be different. Okay, due to which different wavelength of the visible light would be absorbed, forming different colors. Okay, तो इसको तुम लोगों ने यहाँ पे explain कर देना है. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
And what about you, Yahya?
यस सर.
Yeah, one is the monodentate, water is the monodentate ligand, whereas ethane diiodine, that is the bidentate ligand. It is forming the two dative bond with the central metal ion. ठीक है जी. और दूसरी चीज आपका जो इथेन डायोएट है, ये दो मेटल आयन के साथ जो है वो डेटिव बॉन्ड बना रहा है, whereas वाटर इज मेकिंग वन डेटिव बॉन्ड, तो ये भी चीज है। दूसरा बताइए कि कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर और ज्योमेट्री अराउंड क्रोमियम एटम। कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर का मतलब कि क्रोमियम ने कितने डेटिव बॉन्ड बनाए हैं, सो यू हैव टू काउंट ऑल द डेटिव बॉन्ड ऑफ around one chromium. So if you take this chromium, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, so the coordination number that is 6. And what is the geometry around it? When 6 dative bonds are present, so that could be the octahedral I told you. When 4 dative bonds are present, it could be tetrahedral or square planar, and when 2 dative bonds are present, the geometry that could be linear. Okay, so this is the octahedral complex. Now read this question. Construct an ionic equation for the reaction of Cr plus 2 with O2 under acidic conditions. So this is the E naught of cell type of the thing you could make. Okay, so we have done this one. Okay, now I'm going to share you another question. Yeah, do this one please. B part 1. Start doing this question please. Okay guys, so copper 2, it's got the 29 proton number. I told you whenever you want to fill, this is having the plus 2 charge, so argon is 18. So then come the 4s. 4s got the 2 electron and then 1 electron, sorry. And 3d got the 10 electron because it got the unusual electronic configuration. So when you want to make plus 2, so first of all 4s that would be removed, or 3d got 9 electron. So you could write up here 3d9. Okay, and what about the copper plus 1? This one got 3d10. Okay, use this electronic structure to explain why copper 2 salts are usually colored. So copper 2 salts are colored because
PD orbital is incomplete.
yeah, because the d orbital is partially filled. Okay, whereas in case of copper 1, the d or d subshell is completely filled. Okay, so that is why.
3D10
Sorry
4S1 और 3D9 नहीं लेकिन
भाई 4s तो खत्म हो गया ना
नहीं दूसरे वाले की बात कर C1 में। अच्छा वो उसके आगे से
भाई,
कंटिन्यू
वो तुम्हें कॉपर की पता है ना कि क्या होती है, अनयूजुअल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है। 4s में 1 और 3d10 ये होती है।
कॉपर में एक मतलब है एक्सेप्शन है कॉपर पे।
So copper 1 salts are usually white or colorless. The reason is that because its D subshell does not split up, okay, into two sets. Okay. Now do this one, please. So whenever you want to fill the electron, he wants you to fill the electron up here. Okay. So first of all, in the iron, the 4s that could be filled, and iron got how much electrons? It's 26. Okay. So then up till here we got 20 electrons. This is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and this is 26. Okay. Now it is having the Fe plus 2 charge. So Fe plus 2 charge means that this is having the electrons from the valence shell, they are removed. So these are removed. So this is not having any electron. This is 0. Okay. So now if you want to fill the electron, okay, first of all you should fill one electron up here. Okay, and then pair it up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So then pair it up like that. So this one would be, because firstly you have to fill the lower d orbitals and then you have to fill the up d orbitals.
26 टोटल और 24 रह गए ना इसको निकाल के।
जी जी,
तो सर ये तो 6 बना दिया।
तो भाई 6 में है ना, कितने
मुझे 6 ऊपर से दो निकाले हैं पूरे
कितने 4s में से है ना। बट सब सोए भी हो तुम, पता नहीं दूसरों को भी। जिंक प्लस 2, सो
सर ये तो नहीं 1 2 4 5 और फिर ये खाली फिर
भाई मैं कह तो रहा हूँ ये लो एनर्जी लेवल पे आ गए, पहले लो एनर्जी लेवल को फिल करते हैं। अगर एक ही एनर्जी लेवल पे हो तो फिर पहले एक एक डालते हैं। नहीं समझ लगी बात को? मैंने बताया भी था कि जब दो सेट्स बन जाते हैं तो ये लो एनर्जी लेवल पे हैं, पहले आप एक एक इनमें डालोगे, फिर पेयर अप करके फिर जो बचेंगे फिर ऊपर जाओगे। ओके, फॉर जिंक प्लस 2 So this one has got 10 electrons, so one electron up here, then pair it up, and then one electron up here, and then pair it up. Like that. 30. Okay. You use above diagrams to explain why Fe plus 2 ions are colored, because its d subshell split up into two sets. Okay, due to which the visible light is able to cause DG transition. Due to the absorbance of visible light, different colored complexes are formed. Whatever the language I have written for you. Okay,
सर जिंक के नहीं बनेगा
जिंक के नहीं बनेंगे।
उसका क्या नहीं है
इसका
जो डी
उसका वो फिल है भाई, उसमें कुछ जगह ही नहीं है तो क्या करें, 10 के 10 फिल है। Okay guys, the next question is asking, when concentrated HCl is added to a solution of copper plus 2 ions, the solution turns yellow. State the formula of the species responsible for yellow color and name the type of reaction that has occurred. It's a ligand exchange reaction. Okay, so copper plus 2 aqueous mean copper with water molecules 6 and plus 2 charge. Okay, so this is actually the blue solution. So when you add HCl, 4 chloride ions, they are used. So you get CuCl4 -2. Okay,
Yellow.
and 6 water molecules, they are produced. So this one form the yellow solution, and this is the ligand exchange reaction. Did you get it, guys?